turning it up. Step in the building, we turning it up. Talking that shit, but they never admit when I said to the mic, I be murdering it and we living real good. Mainstream, but it's still good.
What's going on, guys? I'm at work right now. Ignore the background, all that. So this video will be a little short one. It's coverage of a meet that this new group's been throwing around. They do meets like every 2-3 weeks, and it was kind of like an underground street scene meet in a way, kind of like the old Fast and the Furious shits, because it really felt like that with some of the cars that showed up. But yeah, so first spot got shut down, second spot got shut down, and then we just left afterwards, so it's gonna be really short. So thank you guys for watching. I'm not gonna worry about an outro. I'll see you guys at the end of that.
Lowered on stock wheels.
Lowered on stock wheels. That is exactly how everything up here is. I don't want to hear that gay music though. Nope. That's a sick Mark IV though. I'll give it that. That looks good. It's just when Josh is I know, but I mean, yeah. I just wanted to see this one. Yeah. That's clean. Not bad. This Honda is fucking sexy. I'll give it that. No, you'll never get that out of me ever again. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Nah, like, tell me that's not crazy. Yeah. Wow. This is nice.
Honda's an Acura, so the game.
This is the same one as Richie's too. I might be wrong, but there's so many fucking cars pulling up. Here's your buddies.
They're not my buddies. Fuck them.
The G37. I would take a G37, but it's just DQ. Hey, it's IPL though. Automatic.
Oh, it's automatic.
I don't know if IPLs came in manual. That's money. I ain't got money. A bag. Look, this bag. Because I know he's not riding stock like that.
If you guys ride static like that, that'd be fucking weird.
I like the hydro dip though on this.
Static is awesome, but you don't want to lose your car.
Yeah.
But not a lot of people do.
In a cooler life?
Did you know these Civics, their transmission goes out like 110?
Yeah.
Me and my friend were looking him up because he wanted one like this, and then we looked like super deep into it, and we found that out.
I'm not surprised, honestly. This is a rare occasion you see somebody do something to it. I like it though. Yeah. That's a car. I like this.
I do too.
This is some showroom, like at a big ass event type of shit. All this line right here is. Yeah, I know. Oh, the hydro dip on it.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Look at the wheels. You can tell those are hydro dip. No. Hey, look at the wheels on the Veloster.
Oh, damn, that's green.
That was a hydro dip. Give it the big old yee, motherfucker. Hey, look, there's 3 cars that said yee. That's funny. Hey, what's up? Big old yee motherfucker.
That's how everyone from the West
I know.
We describe them as the West. Yeah.
That's definitely
Anyone
south.
past Virginia.
Delaware.
They really probably motherfucker.
The West is like cowboy hats and yeehaw.
That's
where
we're
I'm
on a
from.
S5 crowd hunter. Insert crowd here.
At least he's honest about it.
Yeah, I'm about to say, as long as he has his kill count on there, he'll be fine. Yeah.
Your tailgate's open.
The GTRS is like so. Hey. The Camaro with the chute, the giant Pro Charger setup,
Yeah, that's way hot.
the weld beads on the back, and the chute.
I saw this thing from like a mile away.
I know. I want it. It's expensive though. No. This one built ass motherfucking car. Whole wide body and everything. It's a little Viper. Must be nice to have a $90,000 car. Just gonna let us go? Or is he just gonna watch? He's probably gonna end up watching us, so. Funny. Not at all. TTRS. Oh shit, there's another Genesis. Mike's gonna be happy. It's so cool. Nasty. Ew. 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 Oh no. Neon should not be allowed to do that. That is so funny. I remember him. This is an SS108. That's 10 cylinders. Don't you love it when it's 10 cylinders and it only comes in stick shift? This is like a, I want to say, maybe like a 16 GTS. I want to say, if I'm right on the year. Come on, I know you want to get up and close. Yeah.
That's like how different it is.
I know. Time for spot number 2, because I guess cops scared everybody out of that one. my god. That was all static. True.
She's crazy.
Yeah. They're all coming. That's what happens when we get the meat gets ran out.
Let's just get out of the way.
Yeah. Cops. Like 40 of them. They're surrounding the whole parking lot. What are they saying?
Evacuate the parking lot.
Wow. These cops are going crazy.
I'm not moving. I don't give a fuck. Pull me over for sitting here waiting for traffic. I was just shopping at Home Depot, you fucks.
This is Lowe's.
Lowe's.
I got that on video.
This is in Home Depot.
Oh my god, they're really
Can you pass
trying
my water?
Yeah.
Thanks, homie. You're king.
Hell yeah. Do red.
You want me to rev it?
Yeah. Look, he
My car is legal. My car's.
Oh!
Don't, we're just waiting on traffic.
You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
They are pushy tonight. I don't know why.
Bro, I can't just chill.
They are on some meanie shit.
You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
He flicked off them. He flicked the people off inside. Look at him.
You can go ahead. You can go ahead. I'm not moving.
Look, they're just recording us. Actually, you know what? Fuck y'all.
Hey,
I'll
yo,
do it too.
I'm good. Just don't let me get my license plate, bro. I'm an innocent man.
He's a twat.
Y'all called 12 on us, bro. What the fuck?
Look, I'm getting them too.
I was about to get a fucking chair, and y'all did this? I was gonna get a chair, bro.
He's flicking us off. I think.
Jesus Christ.
I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mama, you thick as
Delaware
hell.
State Police
God damn, she thick.
and
She got a straight bag.
Newcastle Police.
Bye. Have a good time.
So awesome.